ating given quadratic equation. Okay, meron tayong 4 examples. Number 1, 2x squared plus 4 equals 0. Number 2, 2x squared equals 18. Number 3, x squared minus 50 equals 0. At number 4, 4x squared equals 49. Okay, as we can see, we can say that these examples are said to be quadratic equation. Why? Kasi meron tayo nakikitang exponent na 2 at meron din tayong equal sign. Okay, yung equality. So meaning to say, kapag may equal sign or equal symbol, meaning to say, magfo-follow ito sa quadratic equation. Okay, sasagutan natin at ipakikita natin ang solution kung paano sagutin gamit ang ating method na extracting the roots or square root property para ma-solve natin ang roots of quadratic equation. Okay, let's have this example. Number 1, 2x squared plus 4 equals 0. What is our first step? Okay, we're going to copy first the given. 2x squared equals negative 4. Okay, now, as we can see here from the given, anong gagawin natin? I-divide both sides muna natin by 2. Bakit? Kasi nakikita natin dito na meron tayong numerical coefficient na pwede siyang i-divide. Okay, i-divide natin both sides by 2. Okay, what will happen? Makakancel na to, which is equivalent to 1. Okay, this will become x squared equals negative 2. Bakit negative 2? Because negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Ito na ngayon ang ating result quadratic equation. We have x squared equals negative 2. This will become, we're going to put a radical sign or square root symbol both sides para makancel natin yung nasa left side nating exponent 2. Maglalagay daw tayo ng square root or radical sign both sides. Naglagay na ngayon tayo. We have square root of x squared equals square root of negative 2. As we can see here, we have negative radicand. Kapag negative radicand, possible magkaroon tayo ng imaginary root. Okay, anong gagawin natin? Simplify muna natin ang left side. This will become x equals positive negative square root of 2i. Why? Bakit tayo nagkaroon ng I? Ang I, note, I equals square root of negative 1 or